applying quantum safe security concepts. So with a great respect, I hand over the session to our resource person, Mr. V. Sairam sir, to proceed with today's talk. Welcome, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you for having this session and providing this opportunity. And it's very great pleasure to be to contribute my knowledge to you and share my knowledge and experience with you. As you know, myself is Sai Ram. I'm working in SP software solutions. So have experience in IoT and embedded domain since 7 years, as Madam introduced me. Today topic is quantum technology, quantum security. Okay. So let me have some data. Let me share some data to you. Okay. And previously, are going through the quantum technology related concepts. Okay. So I will share the one presentation on screen. Just follow me our session. Is there anybody else to join at? Shall I start the session?
Sir, you can start it.
Oh, thank you. Can you see my screen, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you see the presentation? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Okay, today our topic is quantum safe and security. Okay, so before going to the topic, I would like to tell something about quantum technology. What is the use of quantum technology at present generation? So, what is the difference between the existing technology and when you are entering? Is a new era, it's a new generation to the future upcoming generation. It's a new technology. So, what is the difference between traditional technologies and that is whatever the existing, whatever right now you're using technologies in computer system, computers, and quite different from quantum computers. Okay, so what makes the difference and why they are useful? What is the useful? I would like to make it a short description. Okay, so it's a technology like next generation technology which makes very strength and powerful. Why I'm saying very powerful means uh, whatever technology right now we are using, it is far faster than even our existing computers are more faster than the humans. Okay, our technology is whatever right now our technology is a 5G or 6G, whatever in internet we are using, and whatever the computers we are using for GPU or CPU, no, CPUs, these are performing the task in a fraction of seconds. Okay, than the humans. Okay, similarly, these computers are very fast. Whatever you are doing right now is very faster than humans. And the same time, same like these computers, in quantum computers, quantum technology, all the tasks, all the performance, whatever doing the current computers is more faster than a existing, that is current existing technology. Okay. So in our digital system, so now we are using digital electronic digital systems. That means we use every computer uses like 0 and 1 as a bit. Okay, 0 and 1 as a bit. But whereas in quantum technology, it exists a particle which can act as a 0 and it act as a 1 at a time. Okay, that is the difference. Mm, make existing computers and quantum computers. Okay, so but the issue is making the technology is not a matter. The issue is and providing the security to the information. Okay. To this, in current generation, information is the most requirement, because in artificial intelligence, you are training the system. This is nothing but the training of a system, or nothing but it's a way of giving the information to the computer. Okay. Like AI computers, we have different methods like ML, machine learning, and deep learning ways. Okay. What we are giving to the system is the information we are giving, the structural information. Okay. When the system is learned, okay, because when the system is learned certain extent, we'll call it as a machine learning. When a system is trained, it's a depth level, it's a deep learning. So what is we are giving information, but we are storing the information in a computer, we are storing the information in servers, we are storing the information in the clouds. Okay, is there any security? For example, I am saying like I have my bank account. Okay, I have my all the information, whatever the amount, whatever the transactions made in with me is stored all in the server, in a bank server. So how far is secure? Okay, now we are seeing nowadays you are seeing uh, most of the bank threats, bank fault for fraud detections. Okay, like with the calls and messages and is encrypted data like images, they are hackers are taking the information secretly without knowing the person, without interacting with the person. They are collecting the information like say CVV or bank details and ATM numbers, credit card numbers, and debit card numbers, everything. So there is no proper security. These even though we are avoiding this system with many methods, but there is no proper security. Okay. So if you are coming entering to the quantum technology, the same issue will be existed. Okay. So if to overcome that issue, if the quantum computers are more faster, if they provide the information a fraction of second, all the information to the third person, there is no security. Okay. So there are certain algorithms, certain methods to avoid that, to avoid that sharing the data of personal or professional data, category data to the third person only. Quantum technology make very different. Okay. And these securities require some algorithms. Okay. So for example, now we are using cyber security technologies to help not to hack the system. There's basically every company and every industry, there is some hackers, professional hackers, to avoid whoever the person is uh, entering to the cyber crime. They will easily crack the data and misuse the data. So to avoid that, we are using cyber security. And in ML, in machine learning, also in IoT systems, also there is the issue with security. That security in the sense information. So, for example, myself, I am having all some IoT devices in our homes, in our houses. There are advanced devices like smart TVs, smart fridges, smart ACs, and smartphones, laptops, everything. All those are connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, so this Wi-Fi can be easily hacked if the person can be hacked. All those devices are connected to the single systems like Wi-Fi. Since Wi-Fi can be easily hacked, all the devices IP address can be known. Okay, and they can easily crack my the mobile phone, and they can easily take my data also. Okay, So in present quantum computers, it is a new generation technology which is strength with powerful and with quantum physics, and we can make the things which are impossible today's life that in upcoming technology is that can be possible. Okay, so we are encrypting the data. Encrypting means we are hiding the data. Okay, there are different methods, cryptographic methods. There are different cryptographic methods. Okay, so our agenda is uh, post post quantum reality. So post quantum is before entering to the quantum, before entering the quantum technology, we need to make some we need to make some we need precautions. Okay, we need to make some precautions, that is to hide it or to make the data secure, because the quantum computers are much faster. Okay, they can easily share the information to anybody. Okay, this make very complications in future. So to avoid that, we are making some precautions, that is and before entering to the quantum. So recently only quantum technology is introduced. Okay, that means coming to the uh, real world. Okay, so because it is very difficult to make a quantum computer, to design a quantum computer is very this environment is not suitable. Okay, this environment, they need to maintain some a standard environment to make these computers are very sensitive. This technology is very sensitive. So to avoid any misuse of this, they need some algorithms and to make the data secure. Okay, and also the main theme is quantum safe security. So the quantum safe security, the protection is a protection of digital data and communication uses new cryptographic methods. Okay, we will use new cryptographic methods and cannot break the future quantum computers. Okay, it should not. Even our computers are facing same issue. Even the next upcoming generation technology has the same issue. Then what is the use of making the new technology? So for that purpose only, we are introducing the new algorithms, new methods, and new cryptographic concepts for protecting the information. So this means that today's session, that is safety and security. Okay, safety and security. Wherever the aspects you take, wherever in real time, everywhere it requires safety and security. So safety and security not only for the humans, for all the computers. Okay, safety and security not only for the humans but also computers. Computers will have the data. Humans have the life. Okay, that's the difference. Only they are not the living beings, but they need some security. Okay, and safety also. If the data is misused, if, for example, in banking sectors, if the data is lost, then all the hackers will loot their money and jump, right? So even now we are facing same issue in quantum technology also. If we make the same issue, then it doesn't make any difference. So quantum is having highly protected, highly secured. Okay, when compared to the traditional systems. Okay, and why it is needed? Okay, so now today's we are having like algorithms like RSA and ECC. Okay, this can be easily cracked by the quantum computers. Okay, this computers, this technology is also easily cracked by the quantum computers. So if the computers are cracked, then the sensitive data will be loses. Okay, then it can be stolen or misused. Okay, it may be whatever sector, like banking, healthcare, defense, personal info, whatever it may be, it can be misused. Okay, so hackers can also store the encrypted data now and decrypt it later once the quantum power is available. Okay, so to avoid that, we are using post quantum reality. Okay, post quantum reality. And the other agenda is quantum resistant algorithm. So these are different types of algorithm. We are making this hybrid. The hybrid is nothing but combination of two more methods. Okay, combination of two more methods. We are making hybrid. Okay, and